Hi all, 70% of the earth is covered with water, and the world that we find on land lies a similar world beneath the ocean waters as well. But this world lies mostly unexplored yet. And today we are going to speak about something related to the Indian Ocean exploration, that's about Matsya 6000. Yes, very recently spoken about by the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Matsya 6000 is a submersible. It's a vehicle that is going to send 3 people or 3 crew people beneath about 6,000 meters deep into the Indian Ocean. Let's have a quick review and few insights about what this mission is and why does the government want to implement it. So definitely, if you really have a dream of seeing the ocean beneath the waters, having a tour of it, in some years, few years to come, 4 to 5 years, your dream will definitely be fulfilled. So it is an indigenously built submersible under mission Samudrayaan, and its name is called as Matsya 6000. It will carry 3 members, that is Indians, to the deep Indian Ocean. Now the submersible is made up of titanium alloy, and it has been built and designed by none other than the National Institute of Ocean Sciences. So it is an indigenously built submersible by the NIOT, which is located in Chennai, and it is an autonomous body under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. So this submersible will carry 3 people to the bottom of the Indian Ocean up to 6,000 meters deep for exploring the Indian Ocean. It's called as Matsya 6000 because it will take the crew members to 6,000 meters deep, which is the deepest part of the Indian Ocean. Now this vehicle is being developed under a mission named as Samudrayaan Mission, which is aimed at sending 3 personnel at 6,000 meter deep into the Indian Ocean for exploration of deep sea ocean minerals like your nickel, cobalt, etc. So what exactly is deep sea exploration? And we have an objective for deep sea exploration under the Deep Indian Mission as well. So deep sea exploration is nothing but investigating the physical, chemical, biological conditions of the ocean waters and the seabed beyond the continental shelf for commercial purposes and also for scientific purposes as well. So the Deep Indian Mission was approved by the Government of India in 2021, and this mission is being implemented by the Ministry of Earth Sciences with a view to explore the deep ocean for resources and also develop sea technologies for sustainable use of ocean resources. This mission, let me tell you, has a period of 5 years and it costs about 4,077 crore rupees. So the Deep Indian Mission is going to support the blue economy initiatives of the Government of India, and that's why the Government of India is showing a lot of focus and interest in this. Under the Deep Indian Mission lays the Samudrayaan Mission, which is aimed to build a self-propelled indigenously built submersible that will carry the crew members to the ocean deep. So what will this Matsya 6000 mission exactly do? So first of all, number 1, it will be used to explore deep sea resources like minerals. Number 2, the manned submersible will allow direct observation by humans who are in the submersible vehicle of the deep ocean in exploring mineral resources like nickel, cobalt, rare earth, manganese, etc. Apart from scientific research, number 3, and technological empowerment benefits, this mission also has immediate spin-offs like underwater engineering innovations and development of indigenous technologies in the similar area. Number 4, exploration of the biodiversity environment and also tourism. And number 5 is promoting of ocean literacy. Number 6, finally, recently we have the High Seas Treaty that was brought about and which aims to protect the international marine environment by creating dedicated marine protected areas. So this mission is going to help India to adhere to the High Seas Treaty as well. Now the submersible will be equipped with life support systems and oxygen, and it will be capable of also floating underwater as well as collecting rock and sea soil samples with an extending robotic arm. It will be the deepest dive of Indians into the Indian Ocean, let me tell you, and the mission is expected to take off in 2024 or early 2025. And if this gets successful, India will be one of the 6 countries that has been able to pilot its crew to the deep ocean beyond 5,000 meters. As I told you, Samudrayaan Mission is aimed to build the vehicle to carry these people to the deep sea. Now the descent and the ascent of these people in the submersible, the name of the submersible is Matsya 6000, will be 12 hours. So 4 hours for descent, 4 hours for ascent, and 4 hours for exploring scientific activity as well. The Matsya journey will have 12 cameras fitted with it, and it will be able to capture a 360 degree of the ocean around them, and this will be filmed through the glass portholes of the submersible. Now the initial design of the Matsya was conceived in 2021, and a variety of organizations have helped the NIOT in this, like the ISRO, IITM, and also DRDO. So the research into the non-living resources of the deep sea include your polymetallic manganese nodules, your methane hydrates, your hydrothermal sulfides, cobalt rust, all are which are sediments that are beneath the at the bottom of the ocean floor, which contain important minerals like your nickel, cobalt, rare earth minerals, etc. Let me tell you, our neighbor China has had a submersible, manned submersible in just 2020, which is called as Fendaush, and it has reached Fendushi, and it has reached sea depths of almost 11,000 meters recently. So the ocean is an important part of our ecosystem. It covers 70% of the globe, and it plays a very key role in supporting the biodiversity as well. 95% of the deep ocean is unexplored. For India, we are surrounded by three sides by ocean, and we sit on top or the head of the Indian Ocean. 30% of the population of India depends on the coastal areas. Like major economic factors include your fisheries, aquatourism, tourism, livelihood, blue trade, etc. And oceans are also a storehouse of food, energy, minerals, medicines. They play a major role in modulating the weather and the climate, and also in driving the planetary wind system. Therefore, considering the importance of the oceans, the United Nations has declared the decade of 2021 until 2030 as the decade of ocean sciences for sustainable development. India has a very unique maritime feature and a position in the Indian Ocean. It has a very long coastline of 7,517 meters, and which are home to 9 coastal states and 1,382 islands. The Government of India also has a vision of New India by 2030, and let me remind you, blue economy is one of the core dimensions, 10 core dimensions of growth for the New India vision of 2030. And definitely the Matsya 6000, which is the submersible vehicle, and the Deep Indian Mission is going to give a big boost to blue economy, one of the 10 core areas of growth for New India till 2030. I hope this information was really helpful to you all. If you did, like, share, subscribe, and please do not forget to comment. And until then, I shall see you in my next post. Happy learning.